What's going on? So today we have a video from Uncovered, and the title of the video is entitled "Woman Instantly Regrets Testing Officers' Patience."
Move your stuff to the side, and we've been nice, and we're waiting, but now it's time to go. Your stuff over here.
Excuse me. Sorry, they can't have you in the doorway. I'm sorry. Okay, I just need you to. Okay. All right, this female is gathering her belongings to leave. We're just gonna stand by till she's out of the way. Ma'am, I need you to get your stuff. Get your stuff. Come on, ma'am. Come on. You need an ambulance?
20 at both locations.
I'm good. Ma'am, I need you to step out the way so they can get out. You're in their doorway. They're trying to leave. Let's go. Just trying to get her out the way. She's packing up her stuff just slowly. And they're in there trying to get out.
I'll tell you
80
what,
feet.
how about you take all the stuff and you move it to the side and pack it up so that the people can come out, right? You're holding up the people from coming out.
Do me a favor, stand up and just move to the side.
So just bring your stuff over here and pack on the side. You have any information on her?
She wasn't speaking.
Oh, that should be easy. Do you understand English?
Yeah, she does.
Okay. So this stuff, we're gonna move it all to the side. Right, now you're up. Now move your shit to the side.
What's your name?
Move your stuff to the side.
Oh, Costello.
Costello.
Put your hands on me. Put your
I'm
hands
not
on
touching you. I'm moving your stuff
up.
out of the side
Okay, put them to the side.
so that the people can walk out of the building.
There's people in there, and I've been telling you they have to go. Come on.
They're in there and they're trying to get out and you're in the way. And we've been nice and we're waiting, but now it's time to go. Do you understand? Nice. Take a walk. Okay? Time to take a walk.
Have a good day.
Go ahead.
Have a good day, ma'am.
Come on. Come on. Take your stuff.
You're both
Pack your
out.
stuff over here. You want to go?
You want to go?
You want to go?
You want to go?
You're under arrest. That's it. Stop resisting. Stop resisting. Roll over. Put your hands behind your back. Roll over. Don't touch me. Roll over.
Put your hands behind your back.
Put your hand behind your back and stop resisting. You're resisting.
No, I'm not.
Yes, you are. You're under arrest. Stop resisting.
All right. You're hitting my back.
Stop resisting and I won't hurt you.
I'm not resisting.
You are resisting.
No, I'm not.
You're pulling away.
I am not. Go on, baby.
Roll over.
I can't. I got a broken back.
Your back is broken? Twist that around. Twist it around. Twist it around. There you go. Now, you got it? Are you going to give me your arm? Or are you going to get twisted like this? Put your arm behind your back and stop fighting us. You are fighting. Okay. If you weren't fighting, you wouldn't be arrested right now. You squared up against me. I say so. Stand up.
I can't.
Stand up. Stand up. Now stand by the wall. Stand by the wall. Don't move. We have to search you.
I got you.
We have to search you before we put you in our car. That's our policy. That's our procedure.
Now, my take on this is she full of it. He says, my back is broken. If your back is broken, then you would not. The back is very fragile now. I ain't gonna lie to you. You know what I'm saying? Once you mess up your back, that's gonna be pain that you're gonna feel forever. You know what I'm saying? But if her back was broken, right? She would not be still trying to fight and resist and all this other stuff with the officers. This is something that was really simple. Simple ask, hey, this business is trying to close up or whatever. They trying to get out the building. Can you move your stuff over? Simple. but her mental isn't right. Her mental isn't right, and she thinks that the world revolves around her. So this is what you get. You get a little act right. Hey, listen, I'm all for it. Ain't nothing wrong with a little factory reset every now and then. You know what I'm saying? Because they might get out of tune, you know?
Stand up. Face the wall.
I can't.
Yes, you can. You're standing. Face the wall.
I have a broken back.
That doesn't stop you from facing the wall.
I can't do that. I have a broken back.
Stand up.
I can't. I have a broken back.
How is your back
I
broken?
have no idea.
You got it?
I've got it on the job injury.
On the job.
On the job.
Come on, time to go.
Okay.
Next time when you're told to move along, you don't square up against the cops.
I didn't square up.
Yes, you did.
And how did I do that? You tell me. How did I do it?
You threw down. You said you want to
You got
go.
it? You got
Who
it?
said I want to go?
You said you want to go. Face the car. Face the car.
All right.
Is it clean?
Yeah. I checked it.
Sit down.
All right. Well, I gotta pick up my foot
You
from
have to
the
sit
Get in.
your ass in
How
first.
am I gonna get
Let's
in
go.
without my foot
Get in.
going first?
Get in.
That's crazy. Well, I have to put my foot in first.
Close the door. Close the door. Move your foot. You want to sit up? That's fine.
Let's go. Crystal.
There's a male inside. I don't know what you got.
Female. Go inside, face that wall. The wooden one.
Walk ahead. Straight ahead.
Face this wall. Face the wall. When I take that cuff off, put that hand on the wall. Do you hear me? Do you?
Right or left?
When I take the cuff off, put the hand on the wall.
Which one? The right
The
or left?
one that's not cuffed.
Oh. Well, I got kicked in the head first day from a little slow.
When did you get kicked in the head?
Do me a favor, take your sweaters off. Get down to your last layer of clothing.
You want to play here?
Just put it to your left, on the table to your left.
So we're transporting one to
That's it?
You said to the last layer, but this is good.
Do you have any pockets? Okay, put your hands on the wall.
How many pants you wearing now?
Jesus.
Nothing's gonna poke her, right? Nothing sharp? No needles? No pipes? Nothing?
Take a seat. Take your gloves off.
Gloves?
Yes. Your pockets here too.
No, just
Take your gloves off.
I've turned it over.
That's fine. Take them off. Here.
The suspect was charged with resisting arrest, disorderly conduct, and battery to an officer. Let us know your thoughts on this video.
All of this for no reason. All of this for literally no reason. you know, sometimes when you're dealing with, and I don't know if this lady is homeless. From the signs of it, I mean, she does look like she's living on the streets, but sometimes people would rather go in the county or whatever and do something to go to jail because they get 3 hots in a cot, you know what I'm saying? So versus living out on the street, especially if maybe they're not a first time person in jail, you know what I'm saying? They would know how to operate it a little bit. You know, if it's your first time, you know, of course you're gonna be a little bit scared and nerve-wracking. You know, you don't know how the politics work in there, you know. But if you're someone that has been there and you come down on your luck and you're out on the street, don't know where your next meal is coming from, don't got clothes, you know what I'm saying, you just got a couple of bags, sometimes people feel that it would be better to go in the county because at least you got a bed, you know, you're getting 3 meals a day, and that's really it, you know what I'm saying? So I don't know this lady's circumstances, but that's kind of what it seems like to me. I think the officers treated them with some, you know, with some respect until, you know, you showed you don't deserve respect. You know what I'm saying? So they didn't come off crazy until, you know, you wasn't moving fast enough and you got this lady who's trying to lock up the shop for the rest of the day and you're just blocking the way. So this didn't have to turn into that. This is completely the suspect's fault why she ended up in the situation that she's in. But anyway, I think the officers get, I think they get a 4. I think they get a 4. 4 out of 5. 4 out of 5 from me. Let me know how well you think the officers did in the comment section below, and I'm gonna catch you in the next video.
Watch when I get in the mood. No time for the fakes. When you see me, I see you, no FaceTime. Shoot my shot, green beam. 2K shit that get a nigga lean.